Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be teaching you how to paint a beautiful scenery step by step. And this tutorial is going to be very easy and beginner friendly. So watch the video till the end and give it a big thumbs up if you like this video. So let's get started. Let's go on with wet on wet technique. And if you haven't checked out my 12 basic watercolor techniques for beginners, please go and check it out in my channel, and I will also add the link in my description box below. It will be very helpful for the beginners, so don't forget to go and check it out and give it a big thumbs up. For today, I'll be showing you how the art can change its form. For now, I'm going to give the vertical strokes, but watch the video till the end how the vertical strokes are going to be turned out. For now, I'm going to just leave you with the background music, but go get your paints, brushes and papers and paint along with me. Within a few seconds, you're going to witness how the form of this painting is going to get changed into something different. And here is it, of how the vertical strokes has got changed into horizontal strokes. That's the message that I wanted to tell you today. Art has no rules, art comes from heart, and art has no limits. That's almost like I've taught two paintings in a single video, one with the vertical strokes and another one with horizontal strokes. and our painting is done. I hope you really enjoyed this video of how to paint a beautiful scenery step by step, and I hope this tutorial was really helpful to you in some way, though it is being easy and beginner friendly. So don't wait for tomorrow, go get your paints and brushes and paint it today. Please do subscribe if you want to learn more from me, and press the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. And this is not the only beautiful scenery, you can add more kitties or more birds and whatever that your heart and mind says. Happy painting, goodbye, and God bless you.